It's a perfect situation.
This is somewhere I don't normally show because I'm really ashamed of it. This is the side of my house. Garage is there, and Lurch has pulled a lot of the ivy off the fence, and it's pulled some of the fence down. So we'll have to see if we can repair, do anything with it. This is the aftermath. But this is a driveway which we need to sort out. Got ideas on it, but Lurch will have to do it because it's all heavy work. The winter squash, Turk's turban are here, not doing too brilliant, but they're holding their own. That's in front of this, oh, shake your hand, in front of this little greenhouse. Still taking down the last bit of the fence, and my pear tree is here. This is my front apple tree against the fence where the chickens are. This is what Lurch has started to do with that's Mason barking because he's not with me. But these stones came from the back and he's laid them out as best he could to help weed suppression. Walking around, this is my medlar tree, getting out of control, needs a good prune, and my mulberry. And again, Lurch has laid out some stones. These 3 pallet collars I used to grow in. But I've done nothing for several years with this front garden, but the 2 end ones I have done something this year. Some shop bought potatoes were sprouting, so I've put them in there. The middle one, Lurch is just using it to put in a load of branches and that. We're going to try and reclaim this. He has cleared some of the weeds that were coming through all these stones, because it's stone, same as me paths in the back garden. These are pebble stones in the front, but it's covered in weeds. But I've got an idea, so I told him about it last night. So this morning he's been in and pulled a load of weeds up, but it's a slow progression. So when we have got any more to show, I will show you. But it's so overgrown, this front garden is. It's going to take a lot of work to get it back, and I want to actually start growing in it again. We'll see.
It's a perfect